Operator's boat! This is not funny!
Come on! If you've got to go, then go with style!
I hate you!
You are my car. I've had you from new. You are not going to burn. Don't even think of it.
Crowley has something no other demons have, especially not Hastur. An imagination. Right now, he is imagining that he is just fine and that a ton of burning metal, rubber, and leather is a fully functioning car. He had started the journey in his Bentley, and he was damned if he wasn't going to finish it in the Bentley as well.